Wheel hop is a huge issue with the Focus ST and can even be a problem with the all-wheel drive Focus RS. Now, wheel hop is usually caused by issues with the factory rear motor mount, so today we're going to upgrade the rear motor mount on this RS with the new version 2 from Cobb. This Cobb V2 rear motor mount is going to fit your 2013 through 2019 Focus ST and your 2016 through 2019 Focus RS. Made of 6061 billet aluminum, it'll be a direct replacement for the factory motor mount. The new V2 design is going to absorb more vibration while reducing movement better than the V1 version. This is made in the US and again direct replacement for the factory mount on your ST or RS. First you're going to do is get your car up in the air and remove the belly pan, which is held on by a series of T30 torque screws. Now in our case, some unknown entity has already removed our belly pan, so we can go right to the motor mount. The Focus ST and Focus RS have 3 motor mounts. There's one on each side, and there's one back here in the rear. Now the rear motor mount is the most important. That's actually what allows the engine to tilt front to back. Where you're getting wheel hop from is the factory one is rubber. When you're getting traction, the engine tends to shimmy back and forth. That creates the wheel hop. So by adding a much stronger rear mount, we'll get rid of the wheel hop, give us more traction. Next, remove the bolt here underneath the subframe. This bolt, keep handy, you will reuse it. Okay, now we need this bolt off here on the side. Second bolt is right here on the back. And the last one to remove this bracket underneath this little cover. So you want to kind of get in there, carefully pry off the plastic cap. Okay, and I'm going to get in here. Remove this nut. This one's a little trickier to get to. Remove that bolt and then remove the bracket. Like I said, the factory mount is rubber. You can see how much play is in that mount. You know, trying to put power down and that's moving, it's definitely not going to help. Okay, now grab our Cobb mount, put that up into place, and go grab the factory bracket. Put this back into place, reinstall the hardware we just removed. Now make sure you get all 3 bolts started before you tighten everything all the way down. Line up the mount, install the factory center bolt, get it started, don't tighten it all the way just yet. Now we'll install the Cobb hardware from the mount to the bracket. You'll have to shimmy the engine a little bit to get this to line up. Back and tighten up the bolts. And tighten this down. All right, now we're going to torque this bolt here to 75 foot-pound. And the factory bolt here to 70. Once it's tightened down, if you have one, reinstall the belly pan and your installation is finished. The original Cobb motor mount worked great, so I gotta assume if they redesigned it, the V2 is gonna be even better. As far as the installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. I'd say give yourself an hour or so and you'll be back on the road in no time.